phone bring more benefit than problem. What do you think, Naila?
I agree that cell phones bring many benefits because they help us communicate quickly and easily.
I agree with Naila because cell phone also help students learn. We can search for information and study online.
I disagree with that opinion because many people become addicted to their phones and watch a lot of the time.
I partly agree and I partly disagree. I agree because cell phone support entrepreneurs like me to run online business.
Why do you disagree, Salsa?
I disagree because exclusive phone use affect health such as age, strain, and poor posture.
I understand your opinion, but I still agree because the problems can be reduced if people use their phones wisely.
I disagree with Naila because not everyone can control themselves when using cell phones.
I agree with Vika because I often see people ignoring other while using their phones.
However, I agree with Naila because technology itself is not the problem. How people use it is real issue.
I agree with Salsa. We need balance, but cell phones are useful, but we must limit their use.
So we all have different opinion, but we can agree that cell phones uh, should be used responsible.
Cell phone.
Hi everyone, let's get started. Shall we? I got a call from your investor earlier. They're asking about your growth plans. We need to come up with new innovation for your food product before your competitors launch something similar.
I have an idea. Why don't we build a mobile ordering system that's connected directly to the kitchen? Customer can equally track their food operation progress in real time. For orders, they can call or use the app with our my contact number +62 856 34 21 5678.
We might need to think this through. If the system too complicated, our staff who aren't very tech savvy will struggle to use it. Last week, I tried calling IT support but could barely get through.
You are right about the rice, but Vika idea is really interesting. Can we make a simple ration first? My friends who are IT experts can now strengthening IT.
Yes, definitely make it simpler. I have an idea for new packaging, not just plain colors, but with attractive, recyclable designs. Want me to show you the sketches? I'll send the image via chat instead, because I'm almost out of data.
Okay, Nai, send them over if you love and data. I just call you after this meeting ends.
Innovation. Have you noticed how fast technology is developing these days?
Yes, it's amazing. Every year, there is always new innovation.
For example, now we have AI, smart home, and electric cars.
Technology really makes our life easier. We can study, work, and communication more efficiently.
I agree, technology is a tool help us control that help us.
But do you think technology has negative effects too?
Of course, some people become too dependent on technology and their phones.
I think the key is how we use it. If we use technology wisely, it will be very helpful.
Yes, innovation should make humans live better, not worse.
I agree, technology is a tool help us, not control us.
So we can say that technology innovation is important, but we must use it responsibly.
Yes, exactly.
Entrepreneur.
What do you think is the meaning of entrepreneur?
In my opinion, an entrepreneur is someone who is brave enough to start their own business and take risks.
I agree. Besides being brave, an entrepreneur must also be creative and innovative so the business can grow.
That's right. For example, many young people are successful entrepreneurs through online shop and social media.
Yes, especially because technology really support business immediately. With small capital, if you have good idea and marketing strategies, you can succeed.
In your opinion, what is the biggest challenge of being entrepreneur?
I think the challenge are competition and managing finances so the business does not suffer losses.
Besides that, mental strength is also important. An entrepreneur should not give up easily when facing failure.
That's true. From failure, we can actually learn how to improve the business in the future.
That's why being an entrepreneur is not only about profit but also about the process and experience.
In conclusion, an entrepreneur needs correct creativity and perseverance to be successful.
Physical appearance.
Hi everyone, what are you all talking about? We're discussing physical appearance. I just read an article about how we should accept ourselves first for who we are.
That's so true. It seems like a lot of people feel inadequate these days because they keep comparing themselves to beauty standards on social media.
Yeah, right. For example, many people think they need to have clear skin without any acne scars, even though that's completely normal for your bodies. I used to feel insecure, but my acne too. But now, I've learned to accept it.
It's not just about facial looks, you know. Some people also feel self-conscious about their weight, body shape, or skin color. I personally focus more on staying healthy rather than trying to fit into certain standards. Being healthy is good enough, right?
Absolutely. If we're healthy and comfortable in our own skin, that's what matters most. I have a friend who used to feel insecure about being thin. But now the focus on exercising and eating well. So they're much more confident.
Exactly. Besides physical appearance, it's not everything. There are so many amazing people out there because of their personality and abilities, not because of how they look.
Take successful people like centers of social activities they're known for their contribution, not the world, aren't they?
That's right. We also need to learn to appreciate the diversity in physical appearance. Everyone has their own uniqueness, and that's what makes the world more interesting.
Alright then, let's make a promise to always support friends who might be feeling insecure about their image. Let's never be the ones who make others feel less than they are.
Sampai mana Yusuf? Sabot. Yes. Satu. Ya, exactly. Ah, kamu.